Hello everyone, welcome to ChamiViews. This is our 10th video of our Golang series. In the 9th video, we have discussed about regarding slices. Slices are very important when we are practicing the Golang. If you haven't watched that one, please look into that one and watch this video. Right, into today's video, we will go into discuss about the maps. Right. Maps are building associated data type, sometimes called hashes or dictionaries in other languages. Using the maps, we can store the key value pairs. That is a very important thing that we want to know when we are learning the maps, right? Okay. First, I will create an empty map. If we want to create an empty map, we can simply create like in this way. I am creating the variable called m, and using the make function, we can create the empty map, right? We want to add the map keyword here, map, right? And we want to mention the what is the key data type, right? String, right? And the value data type int. Likewise, we can mention, right? Now I will print the fmt.println m. This is a empty map, right? Using the make function, we can create it, right? In here you can see it has created the empty map, right? If you want to assign the values in here, we can simply assign values. We want to first specify the key. I will add the key 1 and then value again, right? And another one, k1, k2, 20. Then I will again print the fmt.println m, right? That is the output. This is the output, right? Okay. Then I will again assign to m k1 equals 30. What happened now? What happened now? It will replace the first value by the second value, right? We can't put the two values to the same key, right? That's a very important thing. If we are putting two values to the same key, it will replace that one, right? Or last one, from last one, right? Okay. I will add k3, okay, and run this one, right? Then if I want to get the value of k1 and I want to store that one into the v1 variable. How we can do that? v1, like in this way, we can k1, right? And then I will print fmt.println v1. Okay, what is the output of this one? 8, right? Output of this one is 8, right? Now I will try to get v2 here, m k4, but in this map I haven't added the k4. What will happen now? fmt.println v2. In this map I haven't included the k4. right? In this map I haven't included that one, but I want to, but mistakenly I will try to get that MK4, right? Then what will happen? We will run this one. It will get the value as 0, right? What is the value as 0? If the key doesn't exist, the 0 value of the value type is written, right? What does that mean? 0 value. What's the meaning of that? Integer default value is 0, right? Boolean default value is false. Likewise, it will return. Okay. Okay. Then, if you want to get the length of the map, we can get length. We can add length, right? What is the length of map? 3, right? Because we have added 4 keys there, right? We have added 4 keys there, right? K1, K2 and K3. Okay, then I will add some space, then you can get either complete code here, right? Okay, now if I want to remove the key, we can key and value pairs, we can use built-in delete function, right? Delete. Here we want to give the map, and then we want to mention the what is the key that we want to remove, A3, right? After that I will print the fmt dot println m. What happened now? This is the output, right? K1 and K2 there, because we have removed the K3, right? Okay. If you want to remove the all key value pairs from the map, we can simply use clear built-in function clear m, right? In here, if we use this one, right, it will remove the all the elements from the array, right? Clear. It says that clear requires go 1 to 1 or later versions. In here we have set the Golang version 120, right? That's why the reason they are mentioning this error. In here I have set up the 120 version, no? Right? If you want to use the 121 version in the Golang, I will remove that one as well, then you can get a clear understanding of that. If we can go to the file and setting, right? Then here they have the go root. I have set up the go root like in this way. If I want to download a new one, in here using the plus button, we can go to the download section, right? In here there are several Golang versions. If I want to get the 21 version here, you can simply click this one and press OK. And then I will apply it. Right. In here, you can say it download in the Go 121.3 version. Right. Okay. Now it is indexing. Right. And like this way, we can simply install the new Go versions. Right. This is actually very important if you are using some new functions, right, with that are not supported with the old Go versions, right? Okay. Another thing in here, now it says that request Go 121 or later, but in our Go mod file, if you can remember our Go mod file, right, when we are creating the project, it has created the Go mod file, right? In here we have defined that value by IDE. It is defined, right? Here also we want to mention the Go version as 121, right? Okay. Now we can use that one. Then I will add the fmt.println m, right? What happened now? It will create the empty map, right? Okay. In here, like in this way, I can get two values. I am creating value called a comma b, right? And I will try to get this mk2, right? Then I will print fmt.println a comma b. What is the output? Binduwa comma false, right? Binduwa comma false. What are these two values? I will remove this clear part, right? Otherwise it will return 0. Okay, now it is 20. Okay, what are these two values? A means what? A means k2 value, right? You got that. What is true? True means what? We can identify the map contains that key or not, right? If we are trying this one with the k6, what happened? What happened? It will return false because k6 value is not there. K6 key is not there, right? That's the reason it will return the b value as false, right? Right? The optional second return value when getting a value from a map indicates if the key was present in the map, right? This can be used to disambiguate between missing keys and keys with zero values, like 0 or empty string, right? If you want to ignore the value of this k2, right, we can simply add the underscore here. Then it will ignore the value of the k2 key, but it will return the whether there is that kind of key exists or not, right? Okay. These things is also very important when we are learning the maps. Okay, single line, using single line also we can create a map. I will demo that one as well. I will create a variable called n, right? Map. I will add the key type here. Map int value type is string. Right? I will change first value, first thing over here, right? Then you can create clear understanding. Now I will assign key as 100, value as value A, right? Then 200 key value is B. Right? Like in this way we can create the map by using one line, right? This is the output. And also I will create it. We can check using the Go the maps are same or not. Like in this way, I will create another variable like in one, right? In here also I am printing the fmt.println in one as well. And then there is a package called maps, right? Using the maps we can check the if. I will add the if condition here, maps dot equal, right? Equal, I am passing n and n comma n 1 here, right? Then if the maps are equal, it will through this one, right? And then I am say if the maps are equal, that is the way we can identify the maps are equal or not, right? In here it says maps are equal. I will assign value see now it doesn't display anything. Then we can add the else statement and say fmt.println maps are not equal, right? Likewise we can do several things using the maps, right? In here we want to import that one and try another examples within yourself, right? Hope you have get a clear understanding about maps, right? If you have learned new things, please subscribe to the channel and share this with your friends, right? Okay, we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.